One Scoop High Stim, aka Raw Extreme Lemon Lime. Anyways, welcome back to another YouTube video, you guys. We are currently, as in me and Cole, on our way to hit a push workout. It is Memorial Day. Also, the Raw Extreme pre-workout, if you're looking for a new pre-workout, very good tasting. Key lime pie. Key lime tastes just like Gatorade. Ooh, workout is all done. A little nice little push action. There is Quick Trip right across the road. So you know, my previous video you guys saw, I'm on these. So good. But we gotta call them to make sure.
This is Haley. How can I help you?
Hi Haley, I was wondering, do you guys have the chicken and waffle sandwich out right now?
Let me go look. Otherwise, we can whip one out.
Okay, thank you.
We do not have it out right now.
Is there any possible way you guys could throw like two, or make 2 or 3?
Yeah, we can make 3 for you.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Alright, and I'll be ready in about 8 to 10 minutes.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you, bye.
Yep, thank you, bye-bye.
Bag secure. Chicken waffles are on the way. See how hard that was? How easy that was? He was scared to call him.
No, I just didn't want to call him. I didn't feel like talking to people. Well, first time having a chicken and waffle. Let's try it out. Wow.
Okay, we ate now, and now we are at our cabin. And there are 2 things I love these days. Number 1, chicken and waffle, as you just saw like about 30 seconds ago. The second thing, pit bikes. Right here. So we're gonna go rip the pit bikes a little bit. At the cabin, cause some chaos, have some fun.
Huh?
Kind of has a weird sound to it.
Why do you say that?
You hear that? Oh, maybe not. Do you hear that though? Maybe she's finally gonna blow. I'm kidding.
I don't know. She's died.
I don't know if the camera does much justice, but if you guys can hear, it's like echoing. We're down in this valley right now. So it is not quiet, but it sounds nice. Trying to learn to do a wheelie on a pit bike or just a smaller bike, or any bike in general actually, find yourself a hill. It'll make it so much easier. That's why it's very easy to do these here, but still it's so fun because you can just and the hill is like giving you an advantage to it, so it's clutch.
Bird and Robert.
It was going like so slow too when you were doing a little burnout.
It was in first gear.
Oh, that's why then probably.
Well, cause
I don't know if we should try to do those because it left a mark there.
easy 360.
Yeah, that was money you had.
I was gonna say, I might try a 720 now.
Go for it, send it. Cole said he's gonna try to shove it here, so we're gonna see how this goes. He's got board backwards right now. Nice. Woo! She's so nippy.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in. Chalk up their body, another one body that's just so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I came to play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. Then I double up again under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm telling you.
That one kind of hurt.
It looked like it. Sounded like it too. Huh? Sounded like it too.
Dude, I landed like right on my face. It's like smack.
Yeah.
I got it all the way around though.
What?
I got the 360 on the board all the way around for the 360.
Yeah.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya, back to D1 school you go.
Yep.
Don't chase too many hogs out there.
Says you.
Have fun.
Yep, will do.
This is the end of the video too.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, drop a comment.
You know the drill.
See ya.
See you in the next one.